Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Is your baby girl Mama? What's up? In today's video we are making fried tilapia fish. So if you want to know how I achieved this delicious fried fish, stay tuned to the end of this video. So guys, to begin, I have my 2 tilapia's fish. First of all, what I'm going to do is to wash it, and you must make sure you wash your fish very well. Yeah, I just removed it from the freezer, so it's still blocked. I'm going to soak it inside hot water and start washing it. So keep watching, guys. And before I forget, if you are new to my channel, please let's be friends by smashing that red sign that says subscribe. Turn on the notification bell so that you don't miss out whenever I upload my new videos. I normally upload videos on weekly basis, and my channel is all about cooking, lifestyle, hairstyle, talk videos and more. If I see any video that caught my attention, trust me, I can as well film it. So don't forget to share my video, is a way of helping me to grow, and don't forget to share your thoughts at the comment section down below. And if you are my OG returning subscribers, I see you. Thank you so much for always tuning in, for always watching my videos. I really appreciate each and every one of you. I don't take any one of you for granted. So continue watching and hope you enjoy watching this amazing video. Next, after cutting all the bones, the next step is to use my lemon to wash it, because we are going to make sure the fish is well clean. So to avoid bacteria, you have to wash your fish very well. Keep watching, guys. So guys, right now I'm going to cut off the head. We don't need the head because this fish, there is nothing inside the head. So I'm just removing the head out. It's optional. If you want to fry it with the head, please make sure you remove all those things that used to be in the head part. So that is it, guys. The next step is to use your knife to make a line inside the fish. Yes, to grate a line inside the fish. The reason why we are doing that is to enable the seasoning to enter inside the fish very well when you are seasoning it. Yeah, it's always advisable so that all the seasonings can go inside the fish very well. So keep watching, guys. Right now, guys, I'm done washing the fish. What I'm doing is to suck out all the excess water from the fish. Next is to start seasoning the fish, and I'm going in with my garlic powder and ginger powder. Yes, So after adding my garlic and ginger powder, I will go in with my turmeric. Yeah. Next one is my paprika. You can use your red pepper, chili pepper, any peppers of your choice. Yeah. And the next one is my black pepper. And the next one is my white pepper. Now I'm going to go in with my Maggi seasoning. I'm using 2 types of Maggi. I have chicken brown and cow brown. So I'm adding the 2 types of Maggi seasoning. Yeah, guys. After then, I will go ahead and make sure I rub everything inside the fish. Yeah, mix it. Make sure you apply it very well. Make sure all the seasonings go inside the fish very well. Right now, I'm going to sprinkle amount of all-purpose flour. Yeah, just sprinkle a little bit and mix everything together. Yes. So guys, after seasoning the fish, I'm going to step it aside. You can leave yours for 15 minutes or 30 minutes in your refrigerators, but I decided not to because of this video, for the sake of this video. So, and next is to add enough oil in your frying pan and make sure the oil is very hot. Yes guys. Make sure the oil is well hot enough, because if it's not hot, the fish will not be dried like this. It will just be sucking the oil. Yeah, and we don't want that to happen to our fish. Yes guys. So now I'm gonna go ahead and turn the other side. When the fish is golden brown, you just have to turn the other side to fry. Yes guys, so keep watching guys. Now the fish is ready. Be careful. If you are not careful, you can get your fish burnt, and we don't want that to happen. So you must be careful when frying it. Yeah. So right now I'm done frying the fish, and you can see how delicious this fish is looking. Oh my goodness. You can use any type of your fish for this recipe. This seasoning goes to any type of fish you want. Yeah. So guys, I believe I've come to the end of this video. If you enjoy watching this video, don't forget to like, share your thoughts, and see you in my next upcoming video. Bye bye.
Yo.